I will put some water.
Okay.
So the water is meant for the purification to your body and to your soul. So from your holidays, we can get more positive energy. And here we have the rice.
Okay.
We'll mix with the spring water. So you put on your forehead. It's meant for the fertility and the harmony.
Okay, thank you.
And also here we have a 3 bracelet in here. We call it 3 datu. Later I will put you on the right hand.
On the right hand.
Certainly later. I will put you for Tita first, the bija, and also the last one for the bracelet.
Okay.
Certainly. So the 3 datu is meaning our 3 our supreme God, which is Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. We believe when someone using this one will protect you from the negative energy to get more positive energy.
Sounds good.
Certainly. Yes. To do the ritual, allow me to put the Tita on your forehead. Sorry.
Oh. Oh wow. Lovely.
Thank you.
Yep. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I continue on hopping from one hotel to another hotel, and now I'm in Ubud. I'm at the Cicada luxury resort, which is under the autograph collection under Marriott Bonvoy. So I picked this over the weekend so I can enjoy it. And actually, they say I'm very lucky because it's very hard to get upgrade, but I get upgrade from a suite to a one bedroom pool villa. So actually that is very, very nice because I'm going to show you quickly. So walking in, this is the poster bed, bedroom. And then with the work desk on one side, with all the international plugs all ready for charging and stuff. So Cicada luxury resort under autograph collection under Marriott Bonvoy. And then they provide with the water, with the capsule, like Nespresso machine. And then, as I say, the capsules and the tea and stuff. And then they do have the mini bar that you have to pay, but it's fully stocked, which is good. So can get additional pops and drinks from here. Okay. So right here is the sofa area. It's the small living room with the Balinese art painting. And then, of course, this is the welcome amenities with the fruit plate, with some dry fruit and Balinese snack, and then some goodies here. Okay, so actually facing here, although it's a resort, is a big TV, which is very nice. And also a magazine to tell you about the traditional textiles of Indonesia. And then on my right hand side is back to the bedroom, that you can see they use the Indonesian textile and the wood carving and such. And what I always like is look at how tall the ceiling is. So really tall ceiling. The architecture and everything is wonderful. And then this is my pool in the pool villa, and it's a warm tub So it's raining a little bit, so you can see the rain's falling. But normally they are pretty bright and sunny in the morning. I'm here like end of November, beginning of December, so it's the rainy season. I'm going to go out in a bit, but before that, let me show you the bathroom. So you can see it's a huge bathroom with the central piece, which is the bathtub. So the bathtub is facing the pool. Okay, so actually for privacy, that hut, okay, what you're seeing is under renovation. It's not being used yet. They say they are going to move the spa to this area later. But right now I'm pretty good, you know, to have a soak here or in the swimming pool, or in, not swimming pool, but in my pool, okay, without any privacy issue. Okay, so back here is also very interesting that they have a makeup towel. So, you know, we do not mess up the makeup with the white towel. They have a brown makeup towel. And then this is their amenities. Oh, I cannot, okay, I do not want to move it. But it's all sustainability as they normally do. And then also Dyson hair dryer here as well. Okay, so walking right in. Of course, there's the rain shower with the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. A very good area to put the luggage. And then the two bathrobe and the bag that I can use while I'm here with the hat and everything. And one thing that I really like is they have the lamp that they say, because when I go at night or whatever, I can bring the lamp with me, so I feel more safe. So which is very thoughtful, I like that. Okay, so on this side, oh, it's actually the safe deposit box and the laundry bag. So basically that's about it. And this is the toilet. And now I go back here, which is the main door. That's where I walk in. Okay, so I just want to quickly go out, although it's raining quite badly. Maybe I will do that tomorrow morning. But actually, I will just show you. Okay, I can go out and it's raining, even with the sun. But that's the pool that I have, which is a warm one. It's very interesting inside, it's very romantic as well, with the day beds and everything. Although again, because of the rain, I cannot use it for now, but I will definitely show you more tomorrow morning. So as a Marriott Bonvoy Elite member, they also extend afternoon tea and the cocktail, and I've booked dinner tonight because they have our entertainment. They have a show tonight as well. So I'm going to show you everything, including breakfast tomorrow morning. So just follow me and I will show you my entire experience in Ubud at the Cicada Resort and Autograph Collection, Marriott Bonvoy. Thank you. Okay, so now it stopped raining. This is villa number 7. I just kept out of the door. So I am going to show you my way to the breakfast area with all the steps to go up and down. So fun. Yep.